Hi guys, so we're here again to discuss some programming stuff, being flowchart the first. So now we have pseudocodes. So first we would like to know what is pseudocodes. So pseudocodes are structured English for describing the process flow of computer programs. They indirectly incline or they do not incline with any other forms of programming languages, not depending on their syntax. So for an example, we have serve food. So this is a real-time or natural situation. Your mother serves food. So if the food is chicken, maybe, or if yes, this, the child says, yeah, hey, or else the child cries. So to go deeper, we have commonly used terms with pseudocodes. So if we're having input, we can have read, obtain, and get. Like read text or read your or obtain grade, get score, like that. So next we have our output words like print, display, and show. Print grade, or print output, or print hello world. Next, our processes would be, it can be compute, calculate, determine, total, or subtract, divide, any other stuff about processing. Next are initialization. So we set 3 to A, or we set 7 to variable B. And we have our loop for our looping structure in our programming language. So we have for, while, and we can also use do. And here we have our conditions that if, then, and else. They are commonly used to decide on which thing should be followed depending on the condition. And we have other stuff here like start and end for starting and ending a program or process. So let's try it and have an example. Okay, we have an example here we have just used with the flowcharts. So first, get 3 values and then average them and then evaluate them if they're pass or fail depending on our condition, which is 75, and print the average and the rating. So here we would have our previous activity, our flowchart. So to start it, let's have a start. Then for our input, let's have get grade A, grade B, and grade C. So for the process, this is averaging. So let's have average grade A, grade B, and grade C. Following this is our condition. So let's have if average is greater than or equal to 75, then if yes, our rating is pass, and if not, else our rating is fail. So it is the end of our condition, so and if. And lastly, we will have our output printed, print average and rating, and we're done, end. So that's our lesson for pseudocodes. Hop on more videos. Thank you and goodbye.